when granting Mechilah is not necessary. The poskim enumerate certain cases in which a person does not need to forgive someone who wronged her. Okay. One situation is when there are other individuals, when the other individual is continuing to act this way toward her. It's very interesting. So that person asks forgiveness for previous sins, but continue doing exactly the same every time. Along the same lines, if the person does ask for forgiveness, but it's clearly evident that it is just lip service, and she really feels no remorse at all, there is no requirement to forgive such a person. Like we spoke last time, somebody sends this broadcast message on WhatsApp on his phone list. Please forgive me. So that's you're not obligated to respond in any way. Okay, because it's not true. Whatever person is doing, it's not true. It's not sincere. Okay. Another scenario, so you're not obligated to forgive. Another scenario where forgiveness is not mandated is when it is for the sinner's own benefit. For example, if the denial of forgiveness is completely for the purpose of making the sinner think about his action and refrain from such a behavior in the future, then one may do so. However, one must still remove any feelings of resentment from your heart. Okay, that's very interesting thing, right? So when it's not situation when you're trying to, as I say, I want to teach them a lesson. No, you're not teaching anybody a lesson. You're allowed to do that only as a favor to another person, right? You're doing as a favor for a person. I understand he or she cannot do just anything they want without thinking and hurt people, right? And then go for like a jail free just because you said I'm sorry. It's not going to work this way, right? Of course, if it's for that person's benefit, try to explain. Not now, right? Ask them to do like a sincere teshuvah, but in your heart, you must forgive. That's that's a separate mitzvah. Okay. So we finished with that forgiveness business.